Good morning, guys. It's day 2 on the same location by the dam, but we're gonna do some crappie fishing. I grabbed my little bucket with me just in case. Not sure how crappie fishing is gonna be today, but we'll still try it. If not, then we're gonna reserve to catfish. Let's see the conditions of this dam today. Ooh, I like. Seems like the water went up a little bit, which is great. Very, very great. Man, check out this nice sunrise. Okay, so we got a bobber with the worm. Oh, there we go. Something's on. There's our crappie. Let's go. Yeah, so they do want worms. There we go, beautiful crappie. Let's see if we can catch more. If we catch more, let's see. You guys release. If we catch more, we'll actually gonna do a catch and cook. Oh, there we go. Ooh, something bigger. What is this? Oh, a nice bluegill. Let's go. Let's go. That's actually a nice size, actually. There's a nice chain right here. You know what? I'm gonna start collecting some sunfish for the fry. Okay, well, I'm gonna throw him here for now. Get water. Okay, so we got the bucket, we got the water. We got the bluegill inside there, chilling. Something small biting it, probably. Yep. It's a small bluegiggy. Is it a bluegiggy? Sunfish. Some sort of sunfish. Yeah, bluegiggy. Upside down bluegiggy. Oh, hooked him in the eye. I am sorry. Release. Oh, that's not a good release. Hopefully there's no snakes or nothing. Grab it. Okay, bluegiggy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice crappie right here. Let's go. That's a fish too for us. That's a decent size for how things were yesterday. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Into our bucket with the bluegiggy. Get in there. Oh, there we go. Another one. Ooh, this one is, oh man, that was a pike. That was a pike and he ripped me off. But man, look at this mess. Might have to retie it. But yeah, the hook is gone. There we go, something small. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh, there goes the crappie. I don't know if I can save you a little, buddy. Yeah, unfortunately, literally came out of the hook, went into the deep darkness. We got some company over here.
I didn't see your camouflage.
Oh yeah, it's all good.
What are you fishing for? Catfish?
Crappies and bluegill. Almost did not record. Battery died again, but I've got another bluegill. Kind of swallowed the hook, so I had to retie it. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a pike. Pike. He might break my line. Let's go. A nice pickle. Nice pike. Oh, interesting. So he bit right over there. Oi. Aye. There we go. Pike is saved. Nice release. All right, boys, this is what we caught today. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 2 blue giggies and 2 crappies. Let's go. Let me clean them real quick. I'm thinking on just chopping the head, scaling them, and just fry them up. Okay, let's scale these bad boys up. Some people like to use a scrub. I just use a spoon. It's kind of easier to me. Just go like this. Look how easy it comes out. And same thing with crappies. Okay, now we're just gonna chop the head off and got them. I'm gonna skip this part. The way I do it is I lift this fin, cut it like this, and then turn around and cut it like this. There is meat over here a little bit too. Oh, hello. We got a little poo-poo coming out. Now you're just gonna go from the butthole to the end and take out all the guts. Okay, here we go. We got 2 beautiful crappies and 2 beautiful bluegills. Boom. Alright, so here's our pan. Here's our oil. Vegetable oil. And this is how I like to season them. Lemon pepper. Some of that devil's spit. And a simple salmon and seafood seasoning. Lemon pepper, I'm gonna put it on the inside, a little bit like this, like this. Same for here, that's probably too much, it's okay. Oh yeah, baby. And down we got our devil's spit, don't mind me. As well as some of that salmon seafood. Oh yeah, baby. Add those bad boys up. Make sure to get the tail as well. The tail's gonna be crunchy. Very good. And then the other side. I'm gonna put more of this. Ugh, that's a lot. It's okay, it's okay. We got our all-purpose flour. Put it in. Oh, that's too much. Some people like to season the flour, I don't. Because the fish is wet, it's already seasoned, it's gonna absorb the flour. Oh yeah, baby. Here. Let me get some on the inside as well. And now we wait for the oil. I'm going to show you a trick how to know if the oil is ready. Even though it's set on 360, I want to know if it's ready. So grab a spoon, a wooden spoon or whatever, something wooden, and put it inside. It's supposed to start bubbling. So this is ready. Here goes the first one. Oh yeah, baby. We're going to cook these boys until they're golden brown. Time to turn. Man, it smells so good right now. One thing I don't have is paper towels, so we're gonna eat some oil. It's okay. Oh yeah, baby. Kaboom. Next, the crappie. Man, she's looking beautiful. Don't mind me. Let me get some light. And our crappie is done as well. Man, so much meat on these things. Boom. I'm gonna finish the rest of these and then I'll be back. We're gonna try this bluegill and we're gonna try this crappie. I've tried crappie before and I've tried bluegill before, but just on the grill. Alright, first I wanna try the tail. Let's see if I can eat these bones right here. Some of them are not cooked completely. They're not crunchy. I don't know if I'm hungry, that's why it tastes so good. Or maybe this fish just tastes so good. Let's crack her open. Oh yes. Let me try the meat. Delicious. Crappie is a mushy fish, but if you fry it in oil, it's actually not bad. Okay, here we go. This is the bluegill. First goes the tail. Let's see if these bones are cooked. Some of them. Yeah, bluegill has a more firm meat, which I like it better. More flaky. Let's see. Oh, there's some bones. You gotta be careful with those. They're both good. I can see why people like crappies so much. It's actually delicious. Look at this meat. Oh yeah. Anyway, like and subscribe so I can eat fish every day. Boom.